this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we've got 2018 Toyota HiAce, stock number 7321. It's ramped on the 1st, 2015 to the 4th, 2019. There's a 2 TRE 2.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the 2 TRE 2.7 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 6-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. 2 big dents in the rear. Right hand tail light. Right rear 6-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door. Right hand door mirror. Right front headlight. Right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, factory touchscreen, sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.